Rent control. Everybody can have rent control. It just depends upon how you choose to look at rent control. So as it stands right now, there are 5 states, including Washington, D.C., New York, New Jersey, California, Oregon, and Maryland, who currently have rent control. And what happens with rent control is the people who are living in those rent control properties are not going to give them up anytime soon, which is why you don't see a lot of them out there and available. There are about 37 states that are in the process of trying to create a standard for what the minimum max rent increase can be. And they're talking about from 2 to 10% would be allowed for rent increase. Now, while some rents have gone up an insane amount, I had a client who on lease renewal, their rent was going up by $2,500 a month. Actually, I've gotten a couple of those people. As it stands right now, there's no maximum amount that your rent can increase. So how do you handle when that's happening? And what do you do in order to have rent control? Buy a property. Now, I'm not saying that everybody's ready to purchase a home. I'm not saying that everybody should buy a home. I'm saying that if you really want rent control, which should be the most expensive thing that you have to pay, then buying a property is your better way to go. The hard part is that people are more concerned about what they're driving and who's going to like it, and how they feel when they're driving it and everybody looking at them and what have you, and not as concerned about where they're living. You need 4 wheels, a steering wheel, and something safe to be on the road. You want something that's fuel efficient, but understand that when you purchase that car, that $600 to $1,250 a month payment makes a difference not only for your day-to-day life, but also what you can purchase for a home. A lot of people are talking about 3 times their income for rent. Yeah, that's about the standard, and that's about what landlords are looking for. But when it comes to buying a car, they're not looking at your debt to income ratio the same way that they should be, quite frankly. I used to sell cars, and there was certain times I'd be like, yeah, I'm not doing this, because I didn't feel it was right for my clients. And no matter what, that's what I do. And so I have to ask, do you want to have rent control? If you do, if you purchase a property, yes, your homeowner's insurance and your property taxes are going to go up, but you can homestead your property taxes. And when you turn 65, you also get another reduction in your property taxes as well. And your homeowner's insurance, you can shop that if it happens to go up, but it's not going to go up nearly as much as what rent is. Yes, everybody's talking about a housing crash. No, it's not going to drop back down to what it was pre-pandemic. You're not going to see that. And the rates are growing up at this point in time.